sorry. It's Snowmageddon. This huge snowstorm, which apparently is coming in right now, and I'm so excited for it because I have nothing that I have to do tomorrow, particularly. Actually, nothing. I have nothing that I have to do tomorrow, and I love snowstorms. Also, I have a really warm jacket that I've been wearing the past couple years courtesy of the doll face. So thanks for that. And I'm just so excited. It's so fucking snowy out. And my footsteps are the first footsteps, which I love. And I hope everybody on the street is listening to me. I'm so excited though. So, if anybody has anything like super fun to do tomorrow, Wednesday, we should do it, because I'm awake and I'll be awake in a bit, and we can hang out in Snowmageddon. Armageddon. Never mind.